In this video, we will look at the exterior projection product line. The exterior projection 500 and 1000 models both provide white light LED engines that are capable of color mixing, gobo, prism, and frost effects. Both provide a dedicated service lid, RDM and DMX control, as well as built-in OLED display for easy configuration, allowing for standalone programming. Both provide for 0 to 100% intensity control, where the exterior projection 1000 has 3 times higher light output than the exterior projection 500. The exterior projection 500 has 8 individual colors on a color wheel. The exterior projection 1000 model features a full CMY color mixing. The 500 model features 6 interchangeable gobo slots with indexing and rotation, where the 1000 model provides 7 changeable color slots, allowing for 7 interchangeable gobo slots with indexing and rotation. Remote and motorized focus depending upon model type. Both provide 2 prism with indexing and rotation, variable frost, as well as animation effects. Where the exterior projection 1000 provides fully continuous animation effect, which can be adjusted for horizontal and vertical effects. The exterior projection 500 only offers a horizontal animation effect, which moves from side to side. Beam angle options for the exterior projection 500 model are 12, 22, 36, and 50 degree. The exterior projection 1000 model provides a zoom from 10 to 44 degree. The exterior projection 500 and 1000 both come with flat field high contrast image projection, fully weatherized for trouble-free use with minimal maintenance in outdoor installations, packed with features allowing huge creativity in setting up exciting lighting effects. When it comes to the 1000 projection, it comes with a wide zoom range and a full CMY or cyan magenta yellow color mixing for maximum creativity. The exterior projection 500 is an image projection fixture. 4 models are available with beam angles of 12 degree, 22 degree, 36 degree, and 50 degree, letting the user select optimum beam angle and obtain the best image projection in a specific installation. Narrow, medium, and wide beam models are suitable for the projection of images and or text such as logos. However, the very wide beam model has less clearly defined projections than the other 3 models and is best suited to the projection of abstract patterns. The exterior projection 1000 is a high-quality lighting fixture. It gives clean, bright projection of images such as corporate logos and text in indoor or outdoor environments. The fixture features a rotating gobo wheel with 7 interchangeable rotating gobos and a gobo animation effect for realistic flame or water effects, along with a zoom of 10 degree to 43 degree. The exterior projection can be controlled using any controller that is compatible with the industrial standard DMX 512 lighting control protocol. Both models are flat field, high contrast image projection based on a high power LED engine. Now, depending upon the model type, effects include color mixing on the 1000 model, 7 to 8 interchangeable colors, 6 to 7 rotating gobos, linear and 3-facet prisms. As mentioned before, beam angles vary with each model type. Animation, frost, electronic shutter, electronic dimming, and finally, a luminosity of 6100 lumens to 16,800 lumens. With the exterior projection 500, there is a color wheel with 8 interchangeable colors: red, magenta, yellow, green, dark blue, CTO or color temperature orange, cyan, and finally orange. Along with this is an open gobo wheel with 6 rotating gobos: glass lines, organic delight, brush it, light lines, ripple structure glass, and line effects glass, plus open indexing variable, rotation gobo, and animation with variable speed and linear animation effects. With the Exterior Projection 1000, there is a full CMY or cyan, magenta, yellow color mixing and an additional color wheel with 7 interchangeable colors featuring deep red, deep blue, primary green, CTO or color temperature orange, orange, CTB or color temperature blue, and finally my favorite, violet. 7 gobo slots for projecting graphic images such as glass lines, organic delight, brush it, light lines, ripple structure glass, and sequence it along with an animation system for creating animated lighting effects both horizontally and vertically. The exterior projection products can be mounted at any angle, and the yoke can be fastened to a vertical, horizontal, or angled surface. However, make note, the sides of the fixture must be vertical when installed, or the fixture's cooling airflow will be affected, leading to reduced light output, as the fixture will automatically reduce the output to accommodate for the poorer cooling. It is also possible to install the fixture temporarily on a rigging truss or similar support. If you do this, fasten 2 approved rigging clamps to the mounting yoke with M12 bolts through holes B in the mounting yoke base. Be sure to suspend the fixture using the 2 clamps. To mount the fixture's mounting yoke base to a flat surface on a wall, pedestal, structural beam, or other suitable support, the yoke base must be securely anchored. The yoke allows the fixture to be manually panned and tilted for beam aiming adjustment. Fasten a 12mm or 1/2-inch diameter bolt to the surface through the center hole A in the mounting yoke. Fasten 2 bolts with 8mm or 5/16-inch diameter bolts to the surface with 1 bolt passing through each of the curved slots C to anchor the fixture. To tilt the fixture, loosen the tilt lock Allen screws on both sides of the yoke slightly, just until you can tilt the fixture in the yoke. Pan and tilt the fixture until it is aiming correctly. A DMX 512 data link is required in order to control the fixture via DMX. Use an RS-45 data cable designed for exterior use for the data link. RS-45 cable has a low capacitance and a characteristic impedance of 85 to 150 ohms. It is electronically shielded and has at least 1 twisted pair of conductors. Connects fixtures in 1 single daisy chain up to a maximum of 32 fixtures. The minimum recommended wire size is 24 gauge for runs up to 100 meters or 1,000 feet, and 22 gauge for runs up to 500 meters or 1,640 feet. The exterior projection fixtures can also function without DMX control as a standalone projector and display up to 20 individual scenes with a global fade and a global hold time. The fixture is supplied with a power cable installed ready for connection. Connect the conductors in the power cable to the distribution circuit inside a suitable junction box. For US models, connect the green wire to earth ground. Connect the white wire to neutral. Connect the black wire to a live single phase power. For EU models, connect the yellow-green wire to earth ground, the blue wire to neutral, and finally the brown wire to a live single phase power.